unboxing Turtle Beach Recon Air wireless gaming chat headset for Xbox Series X or S. Also compatible with Xbox One, Android, Windows, and Bluetooth mobile devices. Bluetooth 5.1, lightning fast. This is fun. Power cord. Use the manual. And 3 interchangeable ear tips provide customizable comfort for a firm and snug fit in all ear sizes. Dependable battery life. A long-lasting 10-hour battery keeps you in the game without interruptions, plus a 15-minute quick charge. Provides 3 hours of additional battery life using the included USB-C cable. Customizable comfort. A reversible ear hook lets you wear the Recon Air on either side of your face. Convenient controls. Integrated easy access controls on the headset let you adjust the chat audio volume, mute your mic, and use Bluetooth functions, all without taking your eyes off the screen. The adapter plugs straight into your controller, and it connects fast. Office friendly. Connect your Recon Air via Bluetooth directly to your PC, Mac, or Android, or iPhones. Very tricky to take out. I will take that. I need it right now.